The Managing Director, Anambra Broadcasting Service, Oka Sachido Obidiegwu, says the establishment is committed to promoting the speaking and writing of Igbo language. Sachido made the promise while speaking at ABS headquarters, Oka, during declaring open the Suguna Day, a secondary school competition targeted at promoting the speaking, reading and writing of Igbo language. Correspondent Amaka Chibuzokoye has details.
Sugunude is an acronym for Soba, Goba, Noba, Madebe, Igbo, and was organized by Anambra Broadcasting Service in collaboration with Ozomi Igbo and OCI Foundation, while the traditional ruler of our community, Igwe Mark Anthony Okonkwo, is the royal father of the program and co-sponsor. Sir Chido lamented that many Igbo people feel ashamed to speak their language and encourage parents to start early at home to teach their words how to speak their language, as well as exposing them to Igbo culture and tradition. He extolled Governor Chukwuma Soludo for his efforts in the education sector, especially for endorsing the program, which he said will help secondary school students to see the importance of speaking and writing Igbo language.
Kona watafata n'uche egburu ọkpụkpụ tinye ka egburu kwano tinye ana asụ ụmụaka oyibo ana asụkwara Igbo.
The leader of Ozomi Igbo, Mazi Obidiegwu, praised ABS for being in the forefront of promoting Igbo language through their program, while calling on Ndi Igbo, wherever they are, to be proud of their roots, culture, traditions, and language. The director of programs of ABS, Mrs. Nneka Ekunife, advised students to consider Igbo language as important, as it is a good way to identify their kids and kin when they are far from home.
Onya ka iji wee fụ eji wee na-ekpo onye asụ Ogonude ịsụwa ịgụwa idekwa Igbo so na ihe anyị bịalụ tata.
On her part, the production manager of the program, Mrs. Ifi Unachukwu, said they targeted young people and students in secondary schools because that is the only way to correct the wrong attitude people hold against the Igbo language. Two of the participants, Chiamaka Nkemmelo and Ifeoma Chukwu Obiora, said the program will go a long way to turn people around from being ashamed about speaking Igbo language and end the era where teachers punish students for speaking Igbo language in class. The competition drew students from schools in Anambra Central, North, and South Senatorial districts. In Oka, Amaka Chibuzo Okoye, ABS News.